Menteri Rangba ulai thuru baka Sorkar jong u kan Shim khia bakandon ka jingshong shong shngain hapdeng ki Nongshong shnong. Ula ong baka Sorkar jong u ka Shim khia ban Pentri kam ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety Act da ka babu iki kerdop mi jong ki nonglet nongwan ha Meghalaya.
Facilitation center at Mendi has been set up. The entry and exit and the facilitation center in Ratachera and in Bajingdoba area is under construction. So clearly these are all indications that the MRSSA is being implemented, and we have always maintained as a government that we are committed to these aspects, and we are also very much aware about the concerns, and as we go along, as I said, I have been informed that after close coordination with the district administration, there are certain localities who have started implementing the MRSSA and have started creating their own softwares also to keep a record of this. So we have informed them that that NIC is preparing a centralized database for this. So all these aspects are being done, and we are very, very firm that as committed by the government, all these aspects will be done, and people have seen that we have stuck to our commitments by ensuring that Umling, Mendi, Ratachera, Bajingdoba facilitation centers come up. And as I said, the task force are up, and I'm hopeful that in the next few months, maybe a month or 2 months' time, we should be having the pilot project for the online system of registration, of the current act that is there being implemented in all the localities around the state.